90% of the material of cellulose fiber insulation is wasted paper products, mostly wasted newspapers. In order to understand the original raw material of cellulose fiber insulation and the actual relationship between the material and our environment, we would need to understand the process from paper productions. General paper production starts from forestry. Trees are cut down and trimmed in order to easily process the material. After the timbers are carried into the production factory, they will be cut down again into smaller fragments to convert fibrous raw materials to pulp. Water would be removed from the fiber solution in order to improve the uniformity of the fiber, followed by the pressing and trimming process, finishing its production in a form of a large roll. In the newspaper production process, events and contents are carefully decided and edited, followed by the printing process. This is one special characteristic of cellulose fiber insulation, on how the material had its past life as an essential media in the modern informational society before being used as a building material. The actual process of cellulose fiber insulation begins by collecting and carrying in waste newspapers in the production factory. They will first be carefully inspected in order to remove any humid materials. In the shredding process, the recycled newspapers would be fragmentized, followed by the cyclone separation phase, which removes any metallic materials, mostly staplers. Next would be the grinding and mixing process, which converts the shredded paper into fibers. Additive mineral salts, such as mix of borax and boric acid, would be added to the cellulose fiber in order to increase its resistance to fire, mold, and pest. After the compression and packaging process, the product is ready to be transported to suppliers or directly to construction sites. In the construction phase, cellulose fiber insulation would be installed between walls, floors, and ceilings, or under the roof using the blowing machine, either injected with moisture or dried. The installation system usually consists of a particular type of loose-fill cellulose used in conjunction with the blowing machine with a blowing hose and nozzle attached to a hole, which is cut or formed into a masonry cavity or frame construction through which the cellulose is blown.